What's up, y'all? My name's Ari, and if you like the Harris YouTube channel, I shoot and edit all of our videos. And if you don't, Brett does. Every time I show up to a job site, Jackman always asks me for something, whether it's coffee or lunch. But this time, I'm actually gonna surprise him. Let's go see. I'll see you later. Jackman, I got this for you. Merry Christmas.
Thank you, my brother.
Of course, anything for you. Finally happy now?
Not quite yet, you know. You understand me? My doctor said, yo, Jackman, you need Chipotle in your life.
Oh, now your doctor said you need Chipotle?
Chipotle. You understand me? Shredded beef, rice, and white sauce.
Maybe next time.
Hey, this is Mike from Harris Water Main. Today we're on 18th Avenue doing the exploratory dig. Apparently, we did a job about 2 years ago, and the customer got a what you call a 3-day notice from DEP stating that the water main is leaking. So we come out to do an exploratory dig to see what's going on. So usually 2 years, something will have to definitely wrong. You understand me? Either the pipe is is no good at all, you got a problem, or it's electrolysis. When they say electrolysis, I mean, the electric is eating the pipe up. The pipe is touching the electric somewhere, or the pipe coming in contact with the electric. So we're currently doing an exploratory dig. So we're digging up the pipe now. We're digging up the pipe to see what's going on. Fortunately, I found the pipe. The pipe is right here. The top is here, but what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna dig it up to the electric, and they're gonna expose everything. And when they expose everything, I'm gonna turn the water off, because the water's coming in on the electric duct a couple buildings down, and see what's going on. If I turn the water off and the water continue coming, we're gonna have to get DEP out here. Now if I turn the water off and the water stop now I gotta take this pipe out. I gotta look and see what's the problem. If it's the electrolysis now I have to go now and I have to run the pipe in what you call PVC. I'm gonna run the PVC from the top hole all the way to the inside. You understand me? So you know it's gonna be a process, but you know we're gonna get it done today. And by the way, ladies and gentlemen, you understand me? Continue watching this YouTube channel, subscribe and follow.
So we sent our crew out today. They're here excavating, and I received a call when I was at the office from our crew leader Jackman that he believes that this is a 3-day notice in error. Now what does that mean? He believes that DEP mistakenly issued a 3-day notice to our customer. Now this does happen, so let's go check it out and see what's going on.
Mike, what's good?
What's up, man? How you doing?
I'm good. We were sitting here just wanted to do an exploratory dig, you know, on 18th Avenue for the customer, and we came and we dig the hole up, we exposed the pipe, and we see that, you know,
There's no water in the hole.
no, I think, you know, it was a bad 3-day in error.
Well,
Yeah,
it's
I mean-
confirmed, right? You shut the water off,
Yes, sir.
you sounded it.
So did it. And the water is still coming into the electric duct on the other side.
So the water's coming in where?
The electric duct, you know what I'm saying? You can hear it?
Oh, you can hear it.
Yeah, you can hear it run.
So the water's off now.
The water's off now.
So this is confirmed.
off.
This water's still coming.
Still coming.
How long has it been off for? Is this not like residual? It's been off for a while?
Yeah, maybe 45 minutes.
Okay, so this is definitely this is definitely where the leak is coming from.
Yeah, it's
but
definitely-
not from our pipe.
Not
that
for
we
our
put
pipe.
in.
So definitely it's about 3-day in error. DEP was notified, so we waiting.
All right, so once when you found out, We contacted the office. They contacted DEP, right? Now we're waiting for DEP. They're coming down. They're going to verify that our findings are accurate. That this is not our customer's leak, and that the piping that we installed only a year ago is still good.
Still good.
Okay. So after that, since there's no water leak in our hole, when we're done, we're going to be able to backfill and then prepare for our restoration crew to come back to restore the roadway.
Yes, sir.
That's it, right?
That's it.
Okay. So DEP should be here pretty soon, and we'll take it from there.
You take it from there.
So while we're waiting for DEP to come down and confirm that this is a 3-day notice and error, just want to take a real quick moment just to walk you through what are the next steps now if this does happen to you. So 1, DEP comes down. They confirm that it's issued in error. 2 is we would have to then bill our customers for the work that was performed today, and then DEP does reimburse you for the expenses for the work to take place so we can confirm that it was an error. That's a process that we walk you through. If you have any questions, please give us a call at the number below, and please always like, comment, and subscribe. Much appreciated. Thank you.